Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Datadog SQL monitoring for faster query debugging. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Datadog account. Navigate to the Integrations tab in the main menu. Locate and select the SQL database integration you are using. Once in the integration details, look for the Configuration section. Identify the specific SQL queries you want to monitor for performance. Click on the Edit button to modify your existing monitoring settings. Adjust the query thresholds to capture slower query performance. Consider enabling additional metrics like execution time and resource usage for better insights. Scroll down to see the option for query alerts and enable it. Set the alert conditions based on your team's requirements. Specify the notification channels for alerting your team upon slow queries. Review your changes to ensure everything is configured correctly. Click the Save button to apply the modifications. Next, go to the Dashboard section to visualize the monitoring data. Create a new dashboard or select an existing one to include SQL performance metrics. Add relevant widgets showing query performance and alert status. Customize the view to focus on the most critical queries for your application. After finalizing the dashboard layout, save your changes. Monitor the updated settings regularly to ensure optimal performance. Adjust thresholds and alerts as needed based on observed query behavior. Consider seeking feedback from your development team on the effectiveness of the updates. Regularly review and optimize SQL queries to maintain efficient database performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.